Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrew Laidley. Scotia Group is exploring new ways to increase its revenue following a fallout in fee and commission income. President and CEO Audrey Togwell Henry says the company is filling the gap by focusing on new opportunities. More customers are using Scotia's digital banking solutions, and since electronic transactions attract little to no fees, net fee and commission income showed a reduction of $396 million. It amounted to $3 billion for the 6 months ending April, a decline of 11.5%. But President and CEO Audrey Togwell Henry says the group has a plan.
So we expect that whatever fall off in non-interest revenues would experience from reduction in banking transactions will be covered and offset by the growth and expansion plans that we are executing on right now.
She outlined some of the options being explored.
Where we are seeing big opportunities for non-interest revenue is in our investment and our insurance bank, in insurance unit business. So that is our expectation for closing the gap there.
In the meantime, Head of Scotia Insurance and Wealth Management, Adrian Stokes, says other revenue drivers are already delivering positive results.
We are seeing significant opportunities in the structured finance space, and we are delivering on those transactions and helping our customers to navigate this very difficult environment. We are investing in skill set in terms of people, and we have brought on board significant talent, and this talent is really helping our customers to navigate and come through the other side of this crisis.
Scotia Group recorded an 11.5% increase in net profit during the 6 months ending April. It amounted to $4.5 billion. The Bank of Jamaica BOJ sold $30 million to authorized dealers and cambios today through a flash sale intervention. 5 banks and 5 cambios were successful in the auction. The BOJ restricted the price at which B-Fixit participants resell the intervention funds to a maximum spread of 20 cents on the buy price. Additionally, resale recipients are limited to end users as defined by the Bank of Jamaica. And in currency trading, the US dollar is selling for $150.16. The Canadian dollar sold for $125.57. The pound is going for $213.54, while the euro closed at $185.30. The JSE index gained 3,640 points today, and the junior market index is up 24 points. Among the winners were Kingston Properties, JMMB Group 7.25%, 1834 Investments, Palace Amusement, and Stationery and Office Supplies. Now on the losing side were 138 Student Living Variable Preference Shares, iCreate, Caribbean Assurance Brokers, Sagicor Real Estate X Fund, and C&WJ Cooperative Credit Union. And that's the Business Day. I'm Andrew Laidley. Good evening.